आज के हमारे वक्ता श्री सुयोग सुरेश उपासनी, जो कि एमकॉस्ट में 15 साल से असिस्टेंट प्रोफेसर पद पर कार्यरत हैं तथा हेड ऑफ डिपार्टमेंट बीकॉम और बीबीए संकाय के हैं। अभी हाल ही में उन्होंने अपना आईआईटी रुड़की से संस्कृत और सुभाषित लेवल 1 पास किया है। उसके लिए हार्दिक अभिनंदन उनको। और अपना वो पीएचडी अपना शुरू रखा है। तो सुयोग को आपके सामने प्रस्तुत करने में हर्ष अनुभव कर रहा हूँ। आगे की कार्यवाही के लिए सुयोग सर को आमंत्रित करता हूँ। सुयोग सर।
Okay, hello all. Yeah. Am I audible to all?
Yeah.
Okay.
Yes, definitely.
Okay. First thing, I will request everyone to have a pen paper with you before initiating the session. It is required for the session so that you can participate in a game. Small game is there regarding branding. So you must have a pen and paper. If you have pen and paper, then you can participate and you can come to an answer of that particular game, and you will enjoy it. So first of all, arrange for a pen and a paper. Welcome, sir. Raju Rathod sahib aaya. Good evening, sir.
Good evening.
So, sir, session start करूँ जो?
हाँ, I think we have enough number of participants, or even it is now 5:30 also, so
Yeah,
we can start. Yeah.
Okay. Thank you, sir. So first of all, today our session is on personal branding. Now, brand is a word which we listen every day, right? And we know what is basically a brand is. Whenever you go to malls, whenever you go to buy anything, when you pay money, you first of all look at a brand, and on basis of that brand, you pay the money. But here we are not going to talk about any such brand which is sold in a market. Here we are going to talk about the personal branding. That means you, yourself. Who are you, basically? When we are born, no one knows us, right? And we start working, we start studying, we start our job, we start our businesses, and gradually our area of work increases, our relationship increases, the people we know increases, the group increases, right? In this process, people make decisions regarding who you are, basically, how they see you. There are your colleagues, there are your friends, there are your families, there is a society who judge you on every step, every day, every moment, every event, right? They are going to decide who are you, and they will look at you in a certain manner. So basically, personal branding is all about how you present yourself to the society, how you present yourself to the area where you are working. It is very important, though we are not conscious about, because we don't think every day, but it is very important to think about personal branding, as that is only the thing which we have in a market, right? So today we are going to see what is personal branding, and we will also have a small game where you can create your own brand. You can see that what is stopping you yourself to create a brand. Moreover, what is needed to become a brand, right? We are going to have a journey. First of all, let us understand that what is personal branding and what is brand. So basically, this is the line you should realize. Life isn't about finding yourself. It is about creating yourself. As we all know, when we are born, we do not know anything. Neither we were not knowing how to walk. We were not knowing how to talk, right? How to speak. But eventually we started to learn. And that learning every day, every moment created yourself. Whoso you are today, right? It is due to your creating yourself every day, every moment, and that is why you are what you are. And life is basically that, how you create yourself. For example, any person, a home, there may be a brother, there may be sisters, right? but everyone's journey is different. Everyone's personality is different. Why? Because they are creating their self individually. You are an individual. You are not a group. And that creation of individual, that is very much important. जहाँ पे कहिए ना कि एक पत्थर में से अलग-अलग भगवान आप बना सकते हैं, चाहे वो शिव हो, चाहे वो गणेश हो, राइट? पत्थर तो सेम ही है, लेकिन अलग-अलग मूर्ति बनेगी तो अलग-अलग उसकी मान्यताएं पड़ेगी. So that is what the same thing you have to create yourself. क्योंकि there the people out there are 135 crore people in India. How you are going to be recognized? आपको भीड़ बनना है या आपको इंसान एक अलग आइडेंटिटी बनना है? That is in your hand only. So basically life is finding, not just finding yourself, it is creating yourself, and that creation will add value to the person you are, and then only people are going to recognize you. The creation of value is very important in life. Otherwise you will be just a common person or some other person who is living in this area or in the city, right? So if you don't want to become that common person, you have to create yourself. Now let us start our first thing, that is, what is personal branding? Jeff Bezos, the founder of Amazon, Amazon, he says personal brand is what people say about you when you leave the room. See, this is very important statement by him. That means people will never say whom you are on your face. They will always judge you, or they will always talk behind you, and that is what you are. That is what you are. That is, you have to create. The personal brand is what people say about you, and when you leave your room, you are not there, and people will talk about you. That is what the main thing you have to create. If they are talking positive behind you, then you have created a positive brand. If they are talking negative behind you, then you have to improve that thing, right? Because basically you may be the boss, you may be an entrepreneur, you may be a businessman. All that matter is the opinion of the people around you when you are not there, and that has to be taken care of. It is very important thing. Second thing, brands are not born of, they are born of experience. They are not repetition. Who you are, basically. That is your reflection, right? So it is a process. You will have to come across that process. You have to have some experiences, good experiences and bad experiences. Both, the total of that will make a brand. So basically, when you will experience the process in your life, then only the brand is going to be created. It is not a one-day thing, or it is not a week process. It is a continuous process throughout the life of learning and unlearning, right? You have to unlearn what is not good. You have to learn what is good and move on in your life. And that process will make you a brand in a certain manner. And for that, you should also have something. You should have something that is important, because you should know what you want to learn, and you should also know what you have to unlearn. That brand, then only you are going to become a brand. Now let us see these things. Very important thing. When I said that people talk behind you, so there are two dimensions: how you see yourself and how others see yourself. There are totally two visions. आप अपने बारे में क्या सोचते हो, ये अलग चीज है. लोग आपके बारे में क्या सोचते हैं, वो अलग चीज है. Now the center thing, the area where this conflict happens, that is your personal brand, because there is a part of yourself and there is a part that society sees you, right? And you have to see both the things. That you might be seeing yourself in another. आपको लोग अलग तरफ देखते हैं. For example, if someone approaches you और आपने उसका काम नहीं किया, आपकी मजबूरी थी या वो आपके हाथ में नहीं था, तो they will instantly say, यार ये इंसान मेरा काम नहीं करता. So there will be a negative impact on your image, on his mind. But is it true? That is very important. Your brand changes person to person, event to event, and basically you have to see that. You have to manage that, and that is very important in life, that how people see you and how you see yourself. That equilibrium has to be maintained, that balance has to be maintained, and you cannot be bluntly saying that I don't care about what people think of me, right? Because ultimately we all live in a society, and we have to image in a society in your stand. You have to keep your own identity, and in that particular manner you have to move ahead, right? अब वो कैसे होगा? वो आपके काम से भी होगा. You have to work in a particular manner. Then people will understand you. You have to show your results in your work. Then only people are going to understand you. Because whenever you will try to express yourself, and if you are expressing in a different manner, then the expectation of the society, their reply will be rejection. Why? Because they are not expecting certain things from you, and you are doing it. So you have to prove it with the results, solid results and logic, and then you have to move further to create a brand. And that is very important. That is very important. That is very important in creation, and it will take time, because society will judge you at every moment, at every event, and you have to prove it why you are doing logical, right? Now, how you can create your brand? Basically, आप जो भी कर रहे हो ना, वो ईमानदारी से आपको करना पड़ेगा. अंदर you have to be oneness in your work, and then only you can create yourself. Let us see something, right? What you see, what you are seeing on the screen right now, is he Hanuman, or is he a person or a character? Is he an actor? Who is he? So basically, whenever you will see this person, the first thing comes to your mind is Hanuman. Why is it so? Because he has portrayed that character in such a manner that you believe that he is not Dara Singh, he is a Hanuman. And that takes place only when you consistently prove in each and every episode of that particular serial that you are playing that character perfectly, and you are embracing that role into yourself, where Tara Singh will not be seen by a public or an audience, but only Hanuman will be reflected. So that is what the most important thing, the character you are playing. We all play various characters in society. For example, somewhere you are a father, somewhere you are a brother, somewhere you are a son, somewhere you are a boss, somewhere you are a colleague, and you are a multi.
Hello.
Playing a certain role, you have to be specific about that, right? And when you see this person as a Hanuman, that means he has engulfed that particular character inside him day and night, and that's why you say that he is not a Dara Singh and he is a Hanuman. Let us see the second example. Okay, Duryodhan, right? Whenever you will see him, you will say that he is a Duryodhan, right? Why? Because he has played that character in a certain manner that you feel, the audience feel that whenever that Duryodhan might be, he would be like this only, right? And that is what thing you have to create. Mukesh Khanna, whenever you see this, you will always see not the Mukesh Khanna, but the character he is playing. That is what the most important thing, or that is what the thing that he is the best actor. Why? Because he can play the role in Mahabharata also, and he can play role of this also, that Shaktiman also, and both the role are played by him in a convincing manner. So how is it possible? That is what we have to learn in personal branding. That you are a father also, you are a son also, and you have to play both the character. You are a husband also, you are a brother also, and you have to play the both character with same perfection, with same preciseness, that every character, every person believes you in your brand, and they trust you in a particular manner. And that is the most important thing. That means we have to create the brands by performing our role in a precise manner and living that role in a certain manner. This is the next example that Mogambo Kushwa, right? Whenever you see this person, you will not see he's an Amrish Puri, but you will say that is the character of Mogambo, which is immortal now in Bollywood, right? So these are the examples when we can learn that a person can become a brand, and on basis of that brand, they bring the businesses. So Gabbar, right? Next example, Amjad Khan. He may have done many roles, but whenever you talk about Amjad Khan, the one role you talk about certainly is of Gabbar. But there are many movies which he have played villains, right? But the role of Gabbar is something different. Why? Because he must have put 100, not 200% in particular that role, and that is why it has become immortal. Lion. This is also one of the example which we all know, right? And the most biggest brand today we all know, right? See, that is the confidence, right? He puts on the stage, handling a person who was just a chief minister, and when he contested the election of prime minister, he has that confidence to say, vote for Modi and not for his party. So this is what the example of marketing, that person is bigger than an organization. Person can become bigger than an institution by playing a particular role. Just saying to 135 crore people that vote on my name has that confidence, and that confidence comes from performance. You should know that there are people who are going to vote for you, and not in just 1 or 2 days or 1 or 2 months, but consistent performance in various areas. And then you can say that vote for me. So that is what the creation of brand is. But that brand creation takes long experience, right? It might be negative experiences, it might be positive experiences. Both experiences are important, because from bad experiences you will learn what to rectify, and from good experiences you should know where to excel. What are your positive things? Okay, now so how you're going to brand yourself? These are some of the points you should consider for yourself when you start developing your brand. Very small things are required. First thing is being on time. Whenever you go, wherever you go, for whatever work you go, you should be on time. It is very bare minimum thing you should take care of. And that also, for example, in one of the interview of Yash Chopra, he stated that one day his wife asked to him that there is the clock or the watch of their home was not working. So how to get the time? What is the time? कैसे पता चलेगा कि कितने बजे है? So they were sitting in a garden, and he was having a tea with his wife. At that time, the ambassador or the car of the ambassador, the Matador, Amitabh Bachchan was carrying Matador at that time. The Matador of Amitabh Bachchan passed from the gate of Yash Chopra. And when he saw Amitabh Bachchan passing, he told his wife it is 8 a.m. because he knows that Amitabh Bachchan 8 बजे अपने ऑफिस जाता है. So see, this is how the brand is built. We know Amitabh Bachchan is a great actor, but the great actor is also a punctual person. And he stated that जब मैंने अमिताभ बच्चन की गाड़ी को मेरे घर के ऊपर से जाते हुए देखा, मेरे गेट के ऊपर से निकली, तो मैंने मेरे बीवी को बोला ये 8 बजे है. Why? Because that is the time of Amitabh Bachchan's car passing my gate. So being on time is very important. People mark that things, right? Second thing, making an effort. रोज का काम रोज तो हम सब करते हैं, जॉब पे जाके, बिजनेस पे काम जाके, लेकिन something different, helping people, going out of line and helping people, taking some extra effort to make someone's life better, to bring someone out of the problem. These all small things make person. That all things makes an impression in the mind of a person who is coming in your contact. And that effort, making a small effort, not a big effort, just small effort, that has a big impact on the person which you are in connection with. Third thing, being high on energy. थके हुए आदमी को देखना किसी को भी पसंद नहीं है. You should always look fresh, enthusiastic and energetic. Yeah, there may be overburden of the work, there may be problems, there will be negative situations in life, but that should not be reflected in your attitude. That should not overcome your personality. That should not have hindrance on your communication with your surroundings. And that energy is very important when you meet new people, especially, right? Because they expect something good or something better from you, and then only that relationship will continue or flourish. Next thing, having a positive attitude. Every great person's story will have failures. Every great, कोई भी पढ़ लो, कोई भी उठा के देख लो, किसी भी अच्छे इंसान के, सक्सेसफुल इंसान की स्टोरी देख लो, इट इज नेवर देयर आप नहीं देखोगे कि हर बार उसको अच्छा ही हुआ है लाइफ में. There will be downs, there will be ups, but that all ups and downs make, with a positive attitude, make you a better person. That attitude is very important. रामचंद्र भगवान होते हुए भी उसको 14 वर्ष के वनवास हुई थी. They have to suffer, but then also positive attitude is very important, right? And that struggle should be there. Every person has its own life stories. Every person has its own struggle, right? And no one is born with a silver spoon and having a golden life ahead. But what is important, in whatsoever condition you are, you should have a positive attitude. And that positive attitude will always show you some way in darkness. Be passionate. Whatever you work, whatever you do, be passionate doing that. There will be people who will who would pull your legs, who would give negative feedbacks. Learn from them. They are not your bad wishers, or they are not your your competitors are not your enemies. Whenever they throw stone, pick up and build a bridge. That is what attitude you should have. Be passionate in doing what you are doing. Keep it doing. एक ही एक चीज आप हर बार करते रहोगे, भले वो छोटी है, you will be an expert in that particular situation, and that is what the most important thing. Then your body language, very important thing. Whenever you meet people, whenever you greet people, body language is very important thing. That shows your attitude, that shows your character, that shows your confidence, and these all things bring you closer to the people you want. That thing will always has an impact on the person whom you are going to be contacting. Be coachable. Always remember there is a margin of improvement in each and every one of us. So whenever anyone says something to you, be always coachable. सुनो, समझो, कहाँ हम और अच्छा क्या कर सकते हैं, कहाँ हम बेहतर कर सकते हैं, वो हमेशा लाइफ में ये करते रहो. Then only you will improve yourself. We are not perfect. We want to become a perfect. और perfectness किसी में भी नहीं है. Being a human being, you will have some or other flaws, but at least we can try to improve ourselves on daily basis. Doing something little extra. That means whenever you do job, whenever you meet clients in business, right? Always do something that is the people who are in your contact. That ये कुछ अच्छा कर रहा है बंदा, ये कुछ बेहतर कर रहा है, right? Do something extra. That is very important, and that will not take much of your time or energy or expenses, but it will have a greater impact on your brand or on your personal brand. ये नहीं है कि बस इतना काम बोला था, मैंने कर दिया, मेरा काम खत्म हो गया. If you can do it in a certain way differently, add your creativity. Show your creativity, right? Or do something better. That extra better every day will make you reach somewhere. For example, if you do not do anything extra every day, you will be putting 0% extra every day. Then after 100th day, you will have 0% extra only. If you will put 0.01% extra every day, after 100 days, you will have 1% something extra. So, अगर आप छोटी बात भी रोज अलग कर रहे हो, तो एक लंबे समय के अंतराल के बाद आपके पास बहुत कुछ अलग होगा. So, कितनी बार हम ये सोचते हैं ना कि टॉर्टोइज धीरे चलता है, वो चलता तो है ना, that is important. अगर वो बैठा है, that is not good. you have to keep moving, though your pace may be slow, but that slow pace, that something extra, something small thing different is very important to make your character look different from the people who are normal. Then be prepared. कोई भी काम आए तो उसको accept करो. Take the challenge. Face the challenge. Don't run away from it. मुझे नहीं करना, ये मेरा काम नहीं है, मैंने तो अभी बहुत काम कर लिया. Don't keep that attitude. Always be prepared to accept the challenges. वो ड्यूक एड में कहते हैं ना, डर के आगे ही जीत है, right? Because whenever you will do different, then only the people will ask, किसने किया है ये, तो ही आपका नाम बोला जाएगा. जो आम काम है, जो सब कर सकते हैं, वो कोई नहीं पूछेगा ये किसने किया है, वो तो कोई भी कर सकता है. So that is very important. Be prepared to accept the challenges. Be prepared to do something different, and then only people are going to recognize you, and that recognition will bring you the brand, right? Have a strong work ethics. Very important thing. किसी का बुरा मत करो. For example, किसी की भी मदद करो. Right? These are some of the very small ethics you have to follow. Everyone can have your own ethics, right? Whatever field you are, whatever thing you are doing, right? But be ethical. Don't do any ethical work which has a negative impact of anyone on the surroundings. Though if you can't do anything good for anyone, at least see that you don't do bad to anyone. किसी का नुकसान ना हो, at least इतना ध्यान रखो. अगर किसी का अच्छा ना कर सको, but I insist that अगर आपके हाथ में हो तो हमेशा किसी का अच्छा करते रहो. That thing will come back to you in a certain manner, in a bigger way, in a positive manner. Now, this is what we all are. Let us see what we have to find in ourselves. We have these 4 things in us. First thing is open. That means what we are, we know, and others also know what we are, right? So that has not to be discovered. Second thing is what you know, what you can do, but you are not shown to anyone, right? And what others don't know about yourself. That is hidden things, right? You may have some qualities, you may have some talent, but you have not shown to anyone. That has to be nourished to become a brand that will help you. Show your characteristics. उसको छुपा के मत रखो. If you have some good hobbies, if you have some good talent, bring it in the front of the world. That will help you to become a different brand, right? That is very important. So first of all, think about yourself, what you can do better. And if you have something good, always present it in the front of the world. World will like it, and world will accept it for sure. Then next is blind spot. What is this? Blind spot is that when you also don't know about yourself, but people know about that. कोई कहे तू ये कर सकता है, but you think नहीं यार, ये तो मैं नहीं कर सकता. That is your blind spot. There, when people know that you are capable of doing a certain thing, but you don't know that you can do it. For example, I will take a reference of Ramayana. When Hanuman was motivated by Jamvan to cross the ocean. In initial stage, Hanuman did not know that he can fly and cross the ocean. But when Jamvan told the story and made he remember the powers, then only Hanuman can perform that particular task. That means there are many things which you can't believe in yourself, right? You can't know, you don't know that what to do or whether you are going to do or whether you are able to do, but people know that. And here I can think the role of guru is very important, because guru can see that all things that you can't see in yourself. And if they will point out, and that thing that he or she will tell you is very important, follow that thing. And that is the blind spot which we can't see in ourselves, but people will see. Here your friends, families, gurus, your all people who are around you, with you, will help you to discover this spot. And the last thing, that is unknown. You also don't know the characteristics, and the people also don't know that characteristic, but then it is hidden in yourself. और ये बाहर आती है एक्सपीरियंस से या ट्रेनिंग से, right? if you are in a certain condition and if you don't know what to do, अगर ऐसा कोई मुसीबत आ गई, कोई प्रॉब्लम आ गई, and you perform excellently, तब जाके आपको पता चल रहा है, अरे मैं ये भी कर सकता था. That was unknown for you, that was unknown for the people, but in that particular bad situation you excelled compared to that of others, right? That characteristic came out of you, and that is the area which can be targeted by either by experience or by training. If you undergo certain trainings, that characteristic will come out of you, right? Or if you cannot go for training, then particular experiences or situation in life will bring that characteristics out of you, right? That is very important thing, that unknown thing you have to find. Now let us play something. Have your pen and paper with you? Now when we'll start, there are total of 8 questions. The only one rule is that be true to yourself. कुछ भी गलत मत लिखना. इसीलिए हमने, राजू सर ने बोला था we will share it, but वो अपन शेयर नहीं करेंगे, वो आपके पास ही रहेगा आंसर्स. And at the end of this game, after end of this 8 question, you will know that how to make your own brand, right? But only thing is, whatever you write, first of all think, ईमानदारी से सोचो और ईमानदारी से लिखो. That is only the one condition for this game. Okay, there will be 8 questions and we will start one by one. Let us take first question. Write your answer. Think. Okay, think करना और फिर लिखना. You have to go in your past. First, what you wish to be in your education. When after your education, जब आप पढ़ाई कर रहे थे, जब आप कॉलेज में थे, अपने बारे में क्या सोचते थे आप? What you dreamt of yourself? मैं आर्टिस्ट बनूंगा, मैं हीरो बनूंगा, मैं हीरोइन बनूंगा, मैं पॉलिटिशियन बनूंगा, मैं वकील बनूंगा. What you are thinking about yourself? और जो भी आप कॉलेज में सोच रहे हैं ना, वो लिखना. अभी जो सोच रहे हैं वो मत लिखना. शायद वो आपने किसी को बताया भी नहीं होगा, क्योंकि उस टाइम पे आप सोच रहे होगे कि अगर मैं लोगों को बताऊंगा तो लोग मेरे पे हंसेंगे. लेकिन आज वो लिखो. What you wish to be after your education. आप उस टाइम पे क्या सोचते थे कि एक बार मेरी पढ़ाई खत्म हो जाए, मैं फ्री हो जाऊं, फिर मैं ये बन जाऊंगा. आप क्या सोचते थे? Shall I move further? ईमानदारी से लिखना. Okay, what you dreamt. Okay, question number 2. Have you reached where you wished? आप उस टाइम पे जो सोच रहे थे वहां आप पहुंचे कि नहीं? Yes or no? ओके, क्वेश्चन नंबर 3. इसमें जरा ज्यादा सोचना पड़ेगा. मेंशन 3 क्वालिटीज दैट आर यूनिक इन यू. ये नीचे मैंने जो दिए है वो सिर्फ एग्जांपल है. इसके अलावा भी अगर कोई क्वालिटीज है, यू कैन राइट योरसेल्फ. ओके, ये तो मैंने एग्जांपल नीचे दिए है सिर्फ. और सच्ची लिखना और जो एग्जैक्ट है वही लिखना, तो ही आंसर एग्जैक्ट आएगा एंड में. एंड ये 3 क्वालिटीज लिखने के लिए आपको सोचना पड़ेगा अपने बारे में, जो हम शायद रोज नहीं सोचते. Three qualities in you. नहीं, don't write in chat. Write in your own paper. चैट में मत लिखो कुछ भी. Write all the answers in your paper only, then only you will get your answer in the end. Don't write in a chat box. Three qualities. और जो पहली तीन याद आए वो नहीं, जो है वही लिखना. अच्छी अच्छी तीन लिखने का बोला तो कोई भी लिख देने का, ऐसा नहीं, अदरवाइज आंसर गलत आएगा. जो है वही लिखो. ओके. More difficult question. Mention 3 bad qualities you want to get rid of. कौन सी 3 ऐसी बुराइयां है जो आपको अपने अंदर दूर करनी है? इसमें तो और समय लगेगा क्योंकि अपने पास तो एक भी नहीं होती. कौन सी 3 ऐसी बुराइयां है जो आपको अपने में से बाहर निकालनी है? यू आर स्ट्रगलिंग टू किक देम आउट ऑफ यू. Three qualities, bad qualities that you want to kick out of yourself. Okay, next question. Write the name of a celebrity or a person who inspires you in your life. अब ये कोई भी इंसान हो सकता है. ओके, देयर सेलिब्रिटी, या ये तो मैंने एग्जांपल लिखा है. Anyone who has inspired you or you want to become like him or her. Write the name of that particular person. He might be your relative, he might be your friend, he might be your guide, he might be your uh, neighbor, whosoever. He might be your boss. कोई भी. The person who has inspired you in your life. जिसकी खूबी आपको अच्छी लगती है और आपको ऐसा लगता है नहीं यार ऐसा मेरे को बनना है. Shall I move to next question? Okay, question number 6. What are the 3 qualities of that particular person which makes you inspire about him or her? ऊपर जो आपने नाम लिखा ना, उस इंसान की 3 अच्छी खूबियां जिसकी वजह से वो आपको इंस्पायर कर रहा है. Shall I move to the next question? लिख दिया 3 qualities. Okay. Have you ever tried to achieve those qualities? Yes or no? Have you ever tried to achieve those qualities? So now, up till here, you have written all the true answers, right? Now do these things. क्वेश्चन नंबर 3 का जो आंसर है, क्वेश्चन नंबर 4 का जो आंसर है, क्वेश्चन नंबर 6 का जो आंसर है, और क्वेश्चन नंबर 7 का जो आंसर है, राइट ऑल द 4. Mention 3 qualities that are unique in you, right? So this is what you have. These 3 qualities, these are the 3 main things, core things on which you can develop yourself. There are 3 positive points. There are 3 things which you have in your life which is different from some other people, right? Second column देखो, क्वेश्चन नंबर 4. ये वो एरिया है, मैं क्वेश्चन नंबर 4 का जो आंसर है वो क्या है? ये वो एरिया है जिसको आपको इंप्रूव करना है, जिसकी वजह से आपके जीवन में अवरोध आ रहे हैं. These are the problems you have to face. You have to remove these things, right? You have to work on this area. और इसको अच्छा बनाओ और बेहतर बनाओ. This is the destination you want to reach. क्योंकि पहले कॉलम में आपके पास जो है वो देख लिया आपने. सेकंड कॉलम में आपके पास जो नहीं है वो देख लिया, जिसको आपको इंप्रूव करना है. थर्ड कॉलम में आप देख रहे हो आपको जहां पहुंचना है. दिस इज योर डेस्टिनेशन. एंड क्वेश्चन नंबर 7 में आंसर आया यस और नो. आपने उसके लिए ट्राई किया है या नहीं किया है, राइट? इफ नहीं किया है, यू हैव टू स्टार्ट. एंड if you have tried, then why you are not reaching? कौन से प्रॉब्लम आए हैं उसको ढूंढो, उसको सुधारो, right? If you have tried to reach to a particular destination, or if you have a particular thing, then why it is not happening? Work on that particular thing. And most important thing, now write again, what 3 good things people say about you on your face, okay? On your face. And what 3 things people say to you in your critics? 3 points good and 3 points bad, which people say to you. कि तेरे में ये 3 बुराइयां है या तेरे में ये 3 अच्छाइयां है. ये 3 लिखो नाउ. राइट इट डाउन. चाहे वो आपके सामने बोला हो या किसी ने आया हुआ आपको बोला हो, वो आपकी ऐसी तारीफ कर रहा था, वो आपकी ऐसी बुराई कर रहा था, whatsoever it may be. लेकिन you know that people say that thing about you. Be true. हाँ, इस क्वेश्चन का आंसर ट्रू देना. चाहे किसी ने आपके फेस पे बोला हो या किसी ने पीछे बोला हो, लेकिन आप तक वो बात पहुंची हो. तो 3 ऐसी कोई अच्छी बातें जो लोग आपके बारे में बोल रहे हो, और 3 ऐसी कोई नेगेटिव बातें या क्रिटिक्स जो लोग आपके बारे में बोल रहे हो. इट माइट बी रॉन्ग, इट माइट बी राइट, व्हाटसोएवर, दैट डजंट मैटर. जस्ट राइट इट डाउन. be true. Okay, अच्छी तो फटाफट लिख ली होगी, बुरी वाली लिखने में हिम्मत चाहिए. Now see this thing, read it. Whatever you do, people are going to brand you. If you are not branding yourself, you can be sure that others do it for you. मतलब अगर आप ऐसा बोलोगे मैं तो कुछ नहीं कर रहा, तो भी लोग आपके बारे में कुछ तो बोलेंगे. और अगर आप कुछ कर रहे हो तो लोग वही बोलेंगे. So better do in a particular manner. See, now you have in your on your page कि लोग आपके बारे में क्या बोल रहे हैं, अच्छा और बुरा, और आपको क्या देखना है. What is the image you want to build? That is also on your paper. But always remember the thing: you do or you do not do. People is going to brand you in a certain manner. आप अच्छा करोगे तो अच्छा बोलेंगे, आप कुछ नहीं बोलोगे तो उनको जो बोलना है वो बोलेंगे, लेकिन कुछ तो बोलेंगे. Now you have to think, you have all the answers on your page, you have to think how to make your brand in the particular area. That is, चाहे वो समाज हो, सोसाइटी हो, चाहे वो वर्किंग एरिया हो, कहीं भी हो, आपको किस तरह से अपना ब्रांड बनाना है, right? What are your problems, what are your positive points? You have all that thing on your paper. But remember, if you are thinking if I will not do anything, then people will not say anything. That is a wrong statement you are doing. अगर आप कुछ नहीं करोगे तो लोग कुछ नहीं बोलेंगे, ऐसा नहीं है. आप कुछ नहीं करोगे तो लोग कुछ तो बोलेंगे, और जब आप कुछ उनको बोलने के लिए नहीं दोगे तो वो अपने आपके मन का बोलेंगे. राइट? सो दैट इज व्हाट इंपॉर्टेंट थिंग. सो बेटर, अगर लोग आपको ब्रांड कर रहे हैं, इससे अच्छा तो खुद अपनी ब्रांडिंग करो ना यार, जो आपको चाहिए. क्योंकि आप अगर ब्रांडिंग नहीं करोगे तो कोई और अपनी आपकी ब्रांडिंग कर देगा, और फिर वो आपको अच्छा लगेगा, नहीं भी अच्छा लगेगा. तो बेटर वर्क इन अ वे, इन अ सिस्टम, इन अ प्रोसेस दैट आप ही खुद अपनी ब्रांडिंग बना रहे हो कि भाई मुझे ये दिखाना है, ये बताना है, ये करना है, मुझे यहाँ पहुंचना है, और आई वांट टू बी ए सर्टेन पर्सन. राइट? सो इफ यू आर नॉट ब्रांडिंग योरसेल्फ, then people are surely going to brand yourself. That is, whether it is society or whether it is a workplace, whatsoever it may be. Right? Now, your brand is what? It is a totality of these four things. Right? When we talk about a personal branding, this is the four things you have inside you. Right? First thing is your image. That means how people see you. लोग आपको किस तरह से देख रहे हैं. राइट? सेकंड इज योर मिशन, वेयर यू वांट टू रीच. आपको जिंदगी में कहां पहुंचना है, ये है दूसरी बात. थर्ड थिंग्स, योर ओन वैल्यू. मैं ये करूंगा, मैं ये नहीं करूंगा. राइट? व्हाट द सेट ऑफ वैल्यूज ऑन विच यू सर्वाइव, द सेट ऑफ वैल्यू ऑन विच यू वर्क एवरी डे. दैट इज द थर्ड थिंग. And the fourth thing is your own vision, right? What you can see. ये कोई और नहीं देख पा रहा, आप ही देख पा रहे हो. Right? Where you want to see your own vision. So these four things in total will make your brand. And second and fourth thing, your mission and your vision is known only to you only. तो अगर आप उसके ऊपर चल रहे हो और कुछ कर रहे हो, तो लोग चाहे उस क्रिटिसाइज भी कर रहे हैं, क्योंकि उनको नहीं पता आप किस तरह जा रहे हैं, इन विच डायरेक्शन यू आर गोइंग, वेयर यू वांट टू रीच. राइट? तो इफ दे विल नॉट लाइक, दे विल क्रिटिसाइज यू. इफ दे विल लाइक, दे विल अप्रिशिएट यू. बट यू शुड नो वेयर यू आर गोइंग. योर मिशन एंड योर विजन शुड बी क्लियर इन योर माइंड, और उस हिसाब से आप जर्नी करते रहो. राइट? मे बी आज वो लोग आपको क्रिटिसाइज कर रहे हैं, लेकिन once you reach your vision, they will appreciate you. And that happens in a life, right? जब आप एक चीज प्रूव कर देते हो, then automatically people will start liking you, and then they will realize, oh, ऐसा था इसीलिए ये ऐसा कर रहा था. Right? So that is very important. But for that, you should be confident, because society or the people surrounding you may give you tough time when you are in a process to reach your vision, when you are in process to achieve your mission. Right? And in that particular journey, you have to stick to your values. That is also very much important. सिर्फ विजन और मिशन जो है उसको हासिल करने के लिए कोई भी वैल्यूज चलाऊंगा ये भी अच्छा नहीं है. तो वैल्यूज आर आल्सो comparatively important in reaching to your destination. So that will change your image, right? And the most important thing, don't use brands, be a brand, right? When you will complete this journey in a particular manner, लोग आपको आपके नाम से पहचानेंगे, and then you will not be a part of 135 crore people, but you will be a brand. That means you will be a unique person, and that is what that is what said that जिंदगी का मतलब, right? तभी सार्थक होगा जब आपको ये लाइन मिलेगी. That is very important thing. And this process is not going to take a week or a month. Huh? It is an evolving process. You have to continuously see whether you are working in line to that particular thing or not. And if you don't know where to go, right, it is very difficult to build a brand. So first of all, sit calmly, think about yourself, right? Because I don't think many of you have thought about yourself as a brand, right? Because we are the reactors. जैसे दिन आया हम रिएक्ट करते हैं बस और दिन खत्म हो जाता है. ये प्रॉब्लम आई उसका आंसर दे दिया, ये अच्छा हुआ हम खुश हो गए बस, and the life moves on, right? But to build a brand, that will not work. To build a brand, you have to work according to your plan. चाहे वो लोगों को अच्छा लगे, बुरा लगे, whatever, but you have to continuously build that thing. So with this statement, I close my presentation today. Thank you all for attending. Sir.
Thank you, Suyog. Thank you very much.
Raju sir, તમારા વિશેષ ટિપ્પણી, very important thing મારા માટે.
No,
Comments
not
from
only
Raju sir.
Everyone will tell you, but from my side, though, it was excellent. Excellent in a way, like if I am looking from a training module point of view, then it is really a very nice and thoughtful content, right? In between, you have given so many good appropriate examples also, and that Johari window, how you relate with the brand, that is also very, very significant thing. So very good. In fact, I was looking such kind of presentation from you for last 1.5 years, but then finally we can catch you. So and same is the story with the other participants also. Like Mukesh was there, but then I think he left.
Yeah.
And this is the expectation from all the 75 members of IST. Kinjal madam, we had a quite good sessions initially.